At this juncture, we are now to identify the different kinds of slope depending on the direction. So we have four types of slope. We have the negative, the positive rather, the negative, zero, and undefined slope. To identify if your line is a positive slope, make sure that your line rises from left to right. So, paakyat ang inyong line dito or from left dito na direction to right na paakyat. If negative na naman siya, your line falls from left to right. So, pababa ka from left to right. Okay? Now, pag zero slope, this means that line is a horizontal line. So, pahiga lang. Undefined naman, the line is a vertical paakyat. So, as you see, dito sa mga pictures na ito yung mga pictures that may apply in a real life situation. So, pag paakyat ka ng hagdanan, you are making a positive slope. Pag pababa ka naman ng hagdanan, you are doing the negative slope. Pag naglalakad ka, this means you are having a zero slope. And if you are climbing like nag-wall climbing ba kayo, the slope of your activity is undefined. Okay, let's have the example. So we have here the graph. Now, to identify this slope, let's make use of the ordered pair. So, first na ordered pair na makikita nyo dito, we have 0 and 2. And the second one is pwedeng dito. You have negative 2 and 1. So, bakit ito ang na-identify natin? Since your M here is negative 1, ano yung negative 1 natin? Nag-rise siya ng pababa. So, negative 1. And your run is negative 2. So, move ka dito. 1, 2. This means that you can also have the positive 2 over 1. So, your slope here is a positive slope. So, ito yung tinatawag kanina. If you remember our example, negative 4 and negative 2, since numerator and the denominator are both negative, magiging positive siya. So, if your answer is a positive number, or your slope is a positive, this means you will have also a positive slope. And kung ang direction niya is from left to right na paakyat, positive slope ang inyong line. Okay. Next. So, ito, from left to right na pababa. So, this is a negative slope, right? Now, using the ordered pairs, we will identify that the slope is a negative. So, we have 0 and 2, and we also have 4 and 0. So, from this point, pwede kang bumaba ng 1, 2. So, negative ang iyong negative 2 ang inyong rise. Then, dito, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, nagiging positive 4 na. So, you can have 4. Mali. We have rise pala tayo mauna. So, we have negative 2. We have negative 2m, negative 2 over 4. Or you can have the simplified form of negative 1 over 2. So, saan si negative 1? So, pwede ka dito 1, and then 2, move, 1, 2. So, nandito yung point nyo. So, simplify na naman tayo. So, since one of them is a negative numerator, pwede rin si denominator ang maging negative. This will make your slope a negative slope. So, isa sa mga consideration to identify your slope is a positive. If both numerator and denominator are positive, your slope will become a positive slope. If one of your numerator or the denominator is a negative, your slope will be a negative slope. Now, we have a vertical line here. So, pag vertical line, ibig sabihin, your slope is undefined. So, your x is equals to negative 2. So, wala kang run dito kasi akyat baba lang. So, 2 over 0, which makes your slope undefined. So, dito naman, horizontal line that passes to negative 1 in y-axis. So, you have y equals negative 1. Dito naman, wala ka ng up or down. Wala kang right. So, your rise is 0 and your run is negative 1, which makes your slope a negative slope.